Hey guys, so we are on our way to the doctor's office for his follow-up appointment from when he was into the hospital overnight, like he was like admitted into the hospital. So he's a little upset back there because he wants my green smoothie. I started vlogging I think Friday, and I didn't get a lot of footage. Like, we didn't really do anything. I went to my my friend's house, and the kids were playing, and like we were like, you know, drinking wine, and so it was just like a fun kids play date slash girls night that we like desperately needed. And Elijah cut my nose by accident. I was going boop on his nose, and his nails were a little long, and when he went to go do, he gets like really excited, and he went to go do it back and sliced my nose just a tad. So yeah, I have no makeup on because of that. It has spinach, a banana, peanut butter, and ice, and a splash of almond milk. I got the Ninja for Christmas. I'm not sure. I didn't say like I didn't do a what I got for Christmas video, but I did. I got a Ninja blender, and it was my first time using it this morning, and I was like really nervous because I hate doing smoothie recipes because I never know, like, I feel like I never put enough of stuff. Like, I remember one time it wasn't like a, you know, a green one, but it was like strawberry banana, and I didn't put enough strawberries or bananas, and like it tasted funny, and it was like watery, and then it was too thick, and it was just a mess. And I don't have any protein powder in there. I have to go and get some. But yeah, we're starting off our weight loss, you know, working out and stuff. And I know I always say it, but like this time I'm determined. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Sorry, I keep on going in and out of frame. And sorry that I look hideous because I don't have any makeup on. Because I didn't. Yesterday I did have makeup on, I think. Was it yesterday? Oh no, Saturday. I did put makeup on, but it was just I put it on like a light, like really light, you know, coverage, and I didn't put it really on my nose. So, but today I was just like, it's raining, and we're supposed to get this like snowstorm. Like, that'll be fun to vlog if we do get it. I don't know if we're gonna get it because it's raining right now. The last time we had a like humongous like snowstorm, and it was like ridiculous, like, was my 21st birthday. And my 21st birthday was on a Saturday, and that's like the perfect day for your 21st birthday to be on if it doesn't snow. And it definitely, like, it was like a blizzard. That's what it was. It was like a legit blizzard. So I don't know, but somebody's calmed down, thank goodness. And I'm not sure what they're gonna do at this appointment. I kind of wanted to just be like, can I just drop off the discharge papers and you not look at him, because he got sick at the doctor's office last time we were there. Last time we were there, the next day, that's when he started throwing up. So I don't. Okay, hey guys. So we're home, and it's 12:06. Our appointment was 10:20.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
And the doctor's like, why are you here? Like, you didn't need to come in, basically.
Hi. Hi. He's going. Oh.
So anyway, what's that? Oh, there goes one of your stickers over there. I was like, what is that?
Is it?
So we're about to take a shower because,
Hi. Hi.
because, you know, last time we were there is when he got sick, and I just don't,
I'm
like being like a germaphobe right now. Oh, my green smoothie spilled in my diaper bag. Awesome. So I'm cleaning my diaper bag now.
Hi, guys.
So that's what's happening. Like, I'm just not feeling it today. And, yeah, I wish that my appointment was, like, later. Or I wish when I called Saturday to ask, can I just drop off my paper, that they would have been like, yeah, that's fine, like how the doctor said. Because she's like, I'm so sorry that you had to come in. Anyway, like I said, it's like 12. So we're going to go take a quick shower. And I'm probably going to put him in his PJs so that, you know, he's comfy. Did you go potty?
No.
Oh, okay.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. You. Uh-oh.
Be careful.
Two.
Whoa. Whoa. Stop. What are you doing? Stop. Stop being crazy.
Mama.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Say I'm gonna go take a tubby.
Night night.
Night night.
Bye bye.
We'll be right back.
Bye bye.
So silly. Hey guys. I thought he was gonna chime in. But so I just gave him a bath and it's about probably like 1 now, I think. Maybe 1:30. I'm not sure. But so we're just waiting for it to be time for me to pick G up. I made him some lunch and he's so silly. You hear the dryer because my diaper bag's in there, since you know that smoothie spilled in there. You're so silly. What's so funny? Now I'm gonna look at a couple recipes that I wanted to make because I'm really into it this time, guys, like eating healthy and stuff, and you know, I just want to live a healthier life. And like, I do obviously want to lose weight, but I just want to be, you know, healthy, and I want Elijah to be healthy, and forget about G. It's like, no, I want all of us to be healthy. So hey, no, don't show your food in your mouth. They don't want to see that. That's yucky. Yo. No. So that's what we're doing now. And I'm probably gonna put this little man for a nap. You go and take a nap? Oh. No. You're gonna choke. Sorry. So, yeah. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Guys. So, it's 2:40 and we're on our way to pick G up. And, sorry. It's so cold. The snow hasn't really started to hit us yet, and I was looking at different weather predictions, and a lot of different people are saying like different things. It was supposed to rain all day and until tonight, and then it's supposed to, you know, really snow. But then it changed and said, you know, it would be 1 to 3 inches during the daytime like now, and then like 4 to 6 later on. But now I'm seeing 12 to 24 inches, and just people just don't know what's really going on. So I guess we'll see. Like, I kind of feel like it's not gonna snow because it might snow, but I feel like it's not gonna stick as much as, I mean, unless it's a lot. Go ahead. I'm taking a video. Are you posing? Sing Let It Go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Oh, do Itsy Bitsy Spider. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spout. Okay.